This is what Salita does when she's not nesting. You know, spread them. Get that water out your nostrils. Oh yeah. So cool. Alright. Now try flying, Slito.
The funny thing is they do fly when they're soaking wet.
Right.
What?
Just not hurt very
Just
well.
not so easy to.
You're soft and wet, aren't you?
Did you get from the top to see like her wing?
That's what I've been doing.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, I've been up high. Oops, something sticky over there. Alright, Salito, show us your feathers. Yeah.
Hey, you want more? Yeah, she's done.
Alright.
Yeah.
And here comes... You gonna get soaked?
I'm going to, yes.
Yeah. She normally do it pretty quick afterwards?
She just did once.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've seen her do it that one other time. She went crazy.
Yeah, she'll do it again. Shaky, shaky. Yeah.
Nice. That's what I'm looking for. Give me a show. Shake your money maker, Salito. Now she's freezing.
Yeah.
There it is.
You can put her out in the sun in a little cage.
What do you think?
We'll watch her for a minute. She's probably alright.
Yeah. Alright.